In the realm of cinema, there exists a category of films that pushes boundaries, challenges societal norms, and sparks fervent debate. These are the controversial films, works of art that have the power to elicit strong emotions, provoke discussions, and sometimes, even change the course of cinematic history. Join us on a journey through the world of controversial films, where art and controversy collide. Our journey begins in the early 20th century with a film that shocked audiences and incited censorship battles. The Birth of a Nation, 1915, directed by D.W. Griffith, was both a cinematic masterpiece and a deeply racist portrayal of African Americans. While it pioneered filmmaking techniques, its controversial content remains a stain on its legacy. Fast forward to the 1970s, a decade known for its groundbreaking cinema. Enter A Clockwork Orange, 1971, directed by Stanley Kubrick, a film that explored the dark recesses of human nature. Its explicit violence and social commentary made it a lightning rod for controversy and censorship.
Sound being music. Then I noticed in all my pain and sickness what music it was that like cracked and boomed. It was Ludwig van. Ninth Symphony, Fourth Movement.
Sin? What's all this about sin?
That! Using Ludwig van like that, you do no harm to anyone!
Continuing our journey, we arrive at The Last Temptation of Christ, 1988. Directed by Martin Scorsese. This film, depicting a controversial interpretation of the life of Jesus Christ, faced protests and boycotts, highlighting the enduring power of religious themes in cinema.
Martin Scorsese brings us a startling vision, an extraordinary story.
Moving forward, we encounter Natural Born Killers, 1994, directed by Oliver Stone. Its graphic violence and satirical take on media sensationalism stirred debates about the influence of cinema on real-life violence, raising essential questions about art's responsibility.
and Mallory. Feared by thousands.
I love you so much, baby. I love you.
Watched by millions.
We're fighting. Can't stop fate. Nobody can.
Next, we delve into Irreversible, 2002, directed by Gaspar. This film's unflinching portrayal of sexual violence and its use of reverse chronological storytelling shocked audiences and reignited discussions on the limits of on-screen brutality. Now, we explore The Passion of the Christ, 2004. Directed by Mel Gibson. This controversial film, known for its graphic depiction of Christ's crucifixion, ignited debates on faith, violence in cinema, and anti-Semitism. In recent years, Joker, 2019, directed by Todd Phillips, became a lightning rod for controversy. Its portrayal of mental illness and the descent into violence led to debates about the social responsibility of entertainment and its impact on society.
How's your job? Are you having any negative thoughts? All I have are negative thoughts.
And finally, in a world where everyone thinks they could do my job, check out this guy.
When I was a little boy and told people I was going to be a comedian, everyone laughed at me. Well, no one's laughing now.
You can say that again, pal.
It's so awful, isn't it?
For my whole life, I didn't know if I even really existed. But I do. And people are starting to notice.
Our journey takes us to Cuties 2020, directed by Maimouna Doucouré. This French film, exploring the sexualization of young girls, faced accusations of exploiting its subjects, sparking conversations on the depiction of minors in media.
Quoi? Oh, mais les gens ils t'ont grave kiffé que tu vois tous les likes qu'on a eu.
Vous savez où passe l'esprit du mal? Ce sont ces femmes dénudées.
Pour le mariage de ton père. Regarde comment elle te va. Tu es une femme maintenant.
T'étais où là? T'as foutu quoi? J'étais en retard. En retard? Je suis désolée. Me dis pas. Non, tu l'as volé?
As our exploration nears its end, we examine The Hunt 2020, directed by Craig Sobel. Its portrayal of political polarization and violence in America caused its release to be delayed, highlighting the sensitivity of political themes in cinema.
Who's in the shadows? Who's ready to play? Are we the hunters?
What is all of this?
Or are we the prey?
Oh, I can't use that.
Just point and shoot.
Everybody get down!
I know what this is. It's Manorgate. Every year, these rich elites kidnap a bunch of normal folks like us.
Where'd they get you from?
Wyoming. Orlando.
Mississippi.
In conclusion, controversial films are a testament to the power of cinema to challenge, provoke, and inspire. They remind us that art has the ability to push boundaries, spark conversations, and change the world. Whether we embrace or reject them, these films play a vital role in our cultural discourse, ensuring that cinema remains a vibrant and evolving medium. And so, we conclude our journey through the world of controversial films. From the early days of cinema to the present, these works continue to challenge our beliefs, stir our emotions, and make us question the very nature of art and society. As we bid farewell to this exploration, remember that controversy in cinema is not a flaw but a feature, a mirror reflecting the complexities of our world and the ever-evolving dialogue between art and society.